Hello beautiful peoples. Welcome back to my channel. Glowing skin and healthy hair don't come from fancy products, they come from the right care. And guess what? Scrubbing isn't just for your body anymore. Whether it's removing dead skin cells with a body scrub, detoxing your scalp with a hair scrub, clearing up your pores with a gentle face scrub, or softening your lips with a nourishing lip scrub, today, we're diving deep into the powerful world of exfoliation. These DIY scrubs are not only natural and affordable, but they'll also leave you feeling fresh, confident, and completely renewed.